Most of our customers have never remodeled before and have no idea what to expect. Maybe you've watched a remodeling show on HGTV, but let's walk through what actually happens during your renovation and what you need to be prepared for. Preparation before the remodel is key. Pack and move all your personal items to a new location and think about how you will adjust to the loss of access to the area we're going to be working in. Think about packing up items in adjacent rooms that may be in the way of our crew entering or exiting your home. If your project involves plumbing or electrical, you might need to pack up items in your basement. We're going to need a space for construction materials in the dumpster. Some items for your project might be delivered directly to your home before construction, and a majority of the items will be delivered the day we start. We ask for one space in your garage to store materials, and keep in mind that we will also need space in your driveway or lawn for a dumpster. Remodeling is dusty. We protect your home from the dust by hanging plastic sheathing, covering carpeting, and protecting floors with cardboard. However, we can't control it all. Expect your home to be very dirty, especially in the beginning. We do our best to clean up and vacuum at the end of each day. Once we start demo, be aware of construction safety hazards. The job site is full of safety hazards. Rooms we are working in will have nails, electrical wires, and maybe even pieces of glass that broke during demo. If you enter the construction area or go near the dumpster, wear shoes and be very careful. Keep children and pets away from the construction area. During construction, expect lots of workers and noise. There will be a lot of people in and out of your house, skilled tradesmen, carpenters, project managers, and even inspectors. Expect that there will be a lot of noise and commotion, including saws, hammering, and drills. Generally speaking, we work on site between 7:30 and 5 p.m. My last piece of advice is to expect the unexpected. At some point during your remodel, there will be unexpected changes. It could be faulty wiring, an unexpected water line, or a million other things. Changes and what we call known unknowns are part of remodeling. We will address them and move forward as quickly as possible. Expect the unexpected and you won't be as surprised when it happens. Communication is key. If you ever have any questions or concerns, we set up a group text for you to message us. We'll keep everyone, the designer, project manager, and our entire team in the loop. If you're out of town or at work during the day, you can view the daily log updates in your Builder Trend app. Practice patience. Please be patient when it comes to the last few items that need to be finished. The most difficult part of a job is the last 5%, and we know you want your house back to normal. We have a detailed calendar and process to ensure we meet our completion deadlines. We promise the end result is worth it.